Hey there, if you're a baby boomer thinking about downsizing or relocating in retirement, you're not alone. It's a big decision and it can be a smart financial move. Before you make any changes, there's a mortgage strategy you need to know about that could help you make the most of your home's equity. Here's the thing, after years of building up equity in your home, the last thing you want to do is make the wrong move now. How you handle your mortgage during this transition can have a huge impact on your retirement plans. You want to make sure that whatever decision you make supports your goals, whether that's downsizing, relocating, or using the proceeds from your current home for something special like travel or family. That's where I come in. I've helped baby boomers like you transition smoothly by making sure their next mortgage fits their lifestyle and long-term financial goals. For example, I recently worked with a couple who not only downsized comfortably, but also freed up extra funds to enjoy their retirement exactly the way they planned. So whether it's paying off the new home or setting aside some of that equity for the future expenses, you've got options. So if you're ready to explore how your home's equity can help you make the next phase of your life everything you've dreamed of, click the link below to learn more. Let's make sure your next move is the right one for your future.